Is looking forward for Physics 122 for Friday, the 27th of March, 2015. As you get ready for class tomorrow, I'd like you to read sections 16.6 and 15.9 of the book. I'd like you to think about the following couple of questions. First of all, imagine I have some sort of wave here. It goes up, then down, then up again. And I want to do destructive interference. Well, we know physically that has to happen if the wave I'm going to be adding to it is exactly the opposite of the wave I have. That way, of course, they balance out to be zero. But the question is, what is the phase difference between those two waves? What is the phase difference that I need to have? We talked about it. Just remind yourself. Number two, we could ask ourselves the question, how do we get that phase difference? In other words, in our function, a times the sine of kx minus omega t, if I always want to have the same phase difference at a given time, or for all times, how do I get that? Remember, we called this whole thing the phase. How could I get different phase differences? What would I need to change? And then third of all, how does that explain the speaker demonstration that we had in class on Wednesday? We'll talk about that and more when we get together tomorrow. See you then.